She is interested blank learning new languages. She is interested in learning new languages. The cat is hiding blank the bed. The cat is hiding under the bed. He is famous blank his music. He is famous for his music. We are going blank the park this evening. We are going to the park this evening. The keys are blank the drawer. The keys are in the drawer. She was born blank July. She was born in July. The picture is hanging blank the wall. The picture is hanging on the wall. He is sitting blank his friends. He is sitting among his friends. The book is blank the table. The book is on the table. The train will arrive blank 7 o'clock. The train will arrive at 7 o'clock. The shop is closed blank Sunday. The shop is closed on Sunday. He went to the hospital blank foot. He went to the hospital on foot. The children are playing blank the garden. The children are playing in the garden. They walked blank the riverbank. They walked along the riverbank. He divided the cake blank 4 pieces. He divided the cake between 4 pieces. She jumped blank the pool. She jumped into the pool. He is married blank my cousin. He is married to my cousin. Don't lean blank the walls. Don't lean against the wall.
Did you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Practice English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.